Chapter number 2, Possessive Case. Look at the following sentences. This is Rama's book. Is that your brother's pet? My uncle's house is a long way from here. In each of these sentences, the italicized noun possesses something. इन तीनों sentences में जो word italicized हैं यानी तिरछे लिखे हुए हैं, इनका possession दिखाया जा रहा है apostrophe और s लगा के. The possessive case is sometimes called the genitive case. Possessive case का दूसरा नाम है genitive case. A noun in the possessive case answers the question whose. For example, whose book is this? Rama's. यानी ये बुक किसकी है? रमा की. तो इस सेंटेंस में possession दिखाया गया है. possession शो करने वाली नाउन possessive case में है. In the above sentences, the nouns in the possessive case are in the singular number, so the possessive case is formed by adding an apostrophe and an s. जब कभी हमें किसी नाउन का रिलेशन या नाउन का पोजीशन शो करना होता है तो हम उसके लास्ट में apostrophe और s लगा के ऐसा करते हैं. Possessive case of plural nouns. Note the following sentences. Number 1. Many boys' books are lost. All these horses' feet are shod. We saw rows of soldiers' tents. In these three sentences, we can see that nouns are plural and we are showing possession by putting only apostrophe. And we have lapse s because these three nouns already have s in their last. Now definition. A noun or pronoun used to show possession is said to be in the possessive case. एक नाउन जो possession शो करती हैं वो क्या कहलाएगी? possessive noun और उसको possessive case में रखा जाता है. As you see, the nouns in the possessive case here are in the plural number. As the plural nouns themselves and in s, only the apostrophe is used and not another s. Note these sentences. Man's lives are short. Men's lives are short. The children's toys are broken, and these oxen's humps are large. In these sentences, the nouns in the possessive case are in the plural number but do not end in s. Therefore, the apostrophe and s are used as in the सिंगुलर फॉर्म. अगर नाउन प्लूरल है लेकिन उनके लास्ट में एस नहीं है तो वहाँ पर हम एपोस्ट्रोफी भी यूज़ करेंगे और एस भी यूज़ करेंगे. possessive case of non-living things. The possessive case is chiefly used when the noun denotes some living thing. Generally, possessive case उन्हीं नाउन के साथ में यूज़ किया जाता है जब नाउन लिविंग हो. Thus we say children's toys, horse's feet, Mary's book. ये तीनों नाउन लिविंग है. That's why we are showing possession. When the noun denotes anything without life, possession is generally expressed by the preposition of. जब नाउन नॉन लिविंग है उनसे लाइफ का एक्सप्रेशन नहीं होता है तो वहाँ पोजीशन को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए प्रीपोजिशन ओ एफ ओ का यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉलोड बाय द नाउन इन द ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. एग्जांपल्स. द लेग ऑफ द टेबल यानी टेबल के लेग, टेबल के पाए. Not the table's leg because table is a non-living thing, so we are saying the leg of the table. The cover of the book, not the book's cover. But the possessive case is used with nouns denoting time, space, or weight, as a day's march, a week's holiday, a meter's length, a kilo's weight. Remember, जो नाउन टाइम, स्पेस और वेट इंडिकेट करती हों उनके साथ में हम पॉजेसिव केस का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ डेज मार्च, a week's holiday, a meter's length, और a kilo's weight.